This is the SmooSat SA3 electric scooter. This scooter was sent to me by the brand. So this scooter has been a lot of fun. It has 3 different speeds. Go in a slow economy mode, you can go in a medium speed mode or a fast mode. Fast mode runs about 15.6 miles an hour. I've got it up to 16 miles an hour on the speedometer. It's economy mode, it's the medium speed, that's the fast mode. You can put this on cruise mode on any of the speeds. So on economy, the medium, or the high speed mode, you can put it on cruise and just constantly cruise at whatever speed you want. It has a headlight, so you can see it right there. When the headlight's on, the tail light's also on. Whenever you squeeze the brake, the tail light will blink. This gets about a 20-mile range on one charge of batteries, and it goes, like I said, it goes pretty fast. It has a little bell on it that you can ring to warn people you're coming up next to them. It has a handbrake on it that will stop it, and it has a kickstand right down here so that you can stand it up. These wheels are foam filled, and so they will never go flat. So that is one really great thing about this, and I've ridden this both on concrete, asphalt, and I've taken this off-road recently. It's been a lot of fun. You can use miles per hour, kilometers per hour, and then you can also track your distance on this with the tripometer. So that's pretty cool. Charging takes probably 4 to 6 hours to get a full charge, and the battery lasts, like I said, up to about 20 miles. So you get about the range, and that's probably on flat level ground. You can collapse this so that you can carry it and store it in your car or store it somewhere else. And see, I can just pick this thing up and just walk away. So this thing weighs approximately 30 pounds whenever you're picking up, maybe 25. I haven't really looked at the specs, but it is a little bit heavy whenever you're trying to carry it around. But if you're just carrying it up to your office or something, it's not that bad. It has nice grip for the handles, nice grip for your feet. This can hold between about 60 to 220 pounds. If you try to take this uphill, it'll slow down a little bit, especially if you're over the weight. We have put this to the test on flat ground with somebody about 250 pounds, and they're able to ride it, although it is not recommended for somebody that weight to ride this. It is up to 220 pounds. I'm about 185, 180, and this rides really well for me. So I have a lot of fun with this. This is the SmooSat SA3 electric scooter for adults.